June is here and we are rolling into summer, and this is the most popular time of year to buy or sell. And I see real advantages in the market at the moment on the main line. So let's go ahead and go over mortgage rates and the numbers for the mainline PA real estate market. And this report includes all of the median sold prices, inventory, and the borrowing climate for buyers. So you really do not want to miss it if you're making summer moves. Mainline inventory is still constricted. We're seeing incremental increases, but not by large amounts. Mortgage rates have stabilized between that 6 to 8%, and while it might seem high, it is not in comparison to 30-year averages. We have great recommendations on our site if you're looking for financing. Mainline real estate is always in high demand, so it's important to stay informed on the monthly numbers to make a move at that right time. First, for our borrowers, the 30-year fixed rate is at 7.125%, and 15-year fixed rate is at 6.375%. A 30-year FHA rate is at 6.625%, and a 30-year jumbo rate is around 6.5%. If you're waiting to buy for lower rates, this indicates they are stabilized, so go ahead and get pre-approved to see your current buying power. So let's go ahead and we'll move on to inventory in the townships. These are real estate numbers from May 2024, starting with Devon. 10 homes were sold last month with a median time on market of just 6 days. The median sales in May was $780,000, and that sales to list price ratio was 105%. 70% of those homes were sold over the original asking price. In May, 33 homes were sold in Wayne with a median time on market of just 5 days. The median sales price for Wayne was $690,000 with a sales to list price ratio of 105%. In Gladwin, the median time on market was 6 days with only 3 homes sold last month. The median sales price in Gladwin was $1,900,000, and Gladwin had a sales to list price ratio of 105%. In Villanova, only 2 homes were sold in May. The median time on market was 102 days, and that median sales price was $2,500,000 with a sales to list price ratio of 92%. In Bryn Mawr, 14 homes were sold last month with a median days on market of just 6 days. The median sales price was $500,000, and that sales to list price ratio was 103%. In Haverford, 11 homes were sold in May. Median time on market was 6 days. The median sales price was $1,100,000, and the sales to list price ratio was 101%. In Radnor, the median price last month was $600,000. There were 28 homes that were sold, and a median time on market of just 6 days, and that sales to list price ratio was 104%. And 57% of those homes were sold over asking price. Finally, in Newtown Square, 28 homes were sold last month with a median days on market of just 6 days. The median sales price for Newtown Square was $600,000 with a sales to list price ratio of 104%, and 64% of those homes were sold over asking. Now, a typical mainline sale closes quickly with great terms for sellers right now. Most sellers receive multiple offers and the option to close quickly. Buyers this summer should get pre-qualified as soon as possible. If you're looking to secure a mortgage, go ahead and contact me to see how to best strategize if you're looking into buying or selling. Reach out to discuss pricing and a comparative market analysis to see what your home is worth, and your home can be listed in just 7 days. I look forward to hearing from you, and remember, Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.